Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Huh?
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
for today's video is all about community information, and I will interview my sister about it. So, let's go. First question is, what is your role in the community?
In my community, I act as a bridge between official source and residents, ensuring everyone informed.
Next question is, what are the types of information you are responsible for, or the information that you receive and pass on the community?
I am responsible for disseminating timely and relevant information, including public safety alerts and event announcements and community updates.
The third one is, how is the type of information that you handle helpful to the community?
The information I handle empower residents to make informed decisions, participate actively, and enhance their overall well-being.
The fourth question is, in what way does passing on this information help the community?
Sharing this information promotes community preparedness, strengthens social connection, and fostering a sense of sharing responsibility.
The fifth question is, how do you know that information you pass on is true?
I ensure accuracy by cross-referencing information from multiple credible sources before sharing it.
The sixth question is, what difficulties do you face in passing on this information to others?
Difficulty includes combating information, reaching diverse audiences effectively, and navigating communication barriers.
The last question is, are these pieces of information available in popular media?
While some information is readily available in popular media, other crucial details require more target distribution methods.
TV